Now let's see the concept of magnitude comparator. In this lecture, we will see the 1-bit magnitude comparator. In the next lecture, we will see the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Here the term you will see the comparator means it will just compare the bits and you will get the output. This output will be the 3 cases. First case will be the greater than case, second case will be the equal to case, third case will be the less than case. Here this will be the block diagram for magnitude comparator. Here we will give the 2 inputs, we will get the 3 outputs. One will be the greater than A greater than B, second will be the A is equal to B, third will be the A less than B. Now let's see the truth table for this. Truth table. Here inputs be the A, B and outputs will be the A greater than B, A is equal to B, A less than B. Here 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Here you can observe 0 is equal to 0. That means A, here A will be the 0 and B will be the 0. Here A will be the 0 and B will be the 0. This case will get satisfied, right? That means we will put this as 1 and remaining 2 cases we will put as 0 0. And next you will see the in one input A is 0 and another input B is 1. 0 will be the less than 1, right? That means in this case you will put the 1 and remaining 2 cases you will put the 0 0. And here you will see in one input be the A, that will be the 1 and another input be the B, that will be the 0. Here 1 will be the greater than 0, that means A greater than B. Here this will be the 1 and remaining 2 cases that will be the 0 0. And here 1 is equal to 1 means this case will get satisfied. A will be the 1 and B will be the 1. That means here if you put 1 and remaining 2 cases you will make it as 0 0. Now let's draw the K-map for this. A greater than B. This will be the A, B, 0, 1, 0 and 1. Here 0 0 means you will get the 0, 0 1 means you will get the 0, 1 0 means you will get the 1 and 1 1 means you will get the 0. Here A greater than B means this will be the A and this will become the B bar. Hence answer will be the A, B bar. Now let's see the K-map for A is equal to B. Here this will be the A and this will be the B, 0 1. Here 0, this will be the 1. Here now let's see 0 0 means equal to case you will get the 1 0 1 means 0, 1 0 means 0, 1 1 means 1, right? This will be the A bar, this will be the A, this will be the B bar, this will be the B. Hence A is equal to B means that will be the A bar B bar plus A B. That will be the XNOR operation, right? Logical expression for the XNOR gate. That will be the A XNOR B. A is equal to B case. And next, K-map for A less than B. This will be the A, B, 0, 1. Here 0 and 1. You can observe 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 0, 1 1 means 0. This will be the A bar, this will be the A, this will be the B bar, this will be the B. Hence A less than B means we will get the A bar B. Now let's see the logic diagram for this. Logic diagram. This will be the A and here this will be the A bar. This will be the B and this will be the B bar. First case you can observe A greater than B means A B bar. A, this will be the A and hence this will be the B bar. This will be the AND operation. A greater than B. And next A is equal to B, that will be the XNOR gate. A B, that will be given to the XNOR gate. You will get the A is equal to B case. And next A less than B means A bar B. A bar B. This will be the A less than B. In this way, we will compare two inputs, that will be the A and B. In the next lecture, we will see the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Thank you.